Are you struggling to find love as a busy professional? Discover the 10 best professionals and business people. Dating sites and apps that cater to your unique lifestyle, making it easier to connect with like-minded individuals despite common frustrations like time constraints and mismatched priorities. Be sure to watch the whole video because there is a surprise waiting for you at the end. This site is designed for educated professionals looking for serious relationships. This app curates matches based on your career and education. It's perfect for busy professionals who want to connect with others who understand their lifestyle. This platform focuses on quality over quantity, providing you with curated matches every day. A long-standing favorite, Match allows you to filter based on career and interests. Designed to be deleted, Hinge encourages meaningful connections through prompts. Bumble puts women in control, allowing them to make the first move. This empowers busy professionals to connect without traditional dating pressure. If you're in the creative industries, Raya is an exclusive dating app for professionals. It's a great place to meet others who share your passions and ambitions. Do you like our tips so far? Like and subscribe to our channel to discover more secrets about online dating. Or why not join our free dating community? The link is in the description. Now, let's continue. For those in the Jewish community, JA-Swipe is a fantastic platform. It connects like-minded professionals looking for serious relationships and meaningful connections. With a focus on long-term relationships, eHarmony uses in-depth questionnaires to find compatible matches. This makes it perfect for professionals who want something serious. While often seen as casual, Tinder can also work for professionals looking for love. With a large user base, it offers plenty of opportunities to meet potential partners. Using LinkedIn for dating can help you find someone in your professional circle. It's a unique way to meet others who understand your career demands. Professional connections. This app is tailored for business networking, but also has a dating feature. It allows professionals to find both business contacts and potential partners. You are welcome to join our free international dating community. The link is in the description and comments. Is our video helpful to you? Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel to get more tips about online dating. Want to know more secrets about online dating? Watch these videos next.